Want richer sound, smarter noise control, and all-day comfort in one pair of earbuds? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Apple AirPods Pro 3, featuring adaptive transparency, immersive spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, and enhanced active noise cancellation for a more focused listening experience. They come with a compact, comfortable design, longer battery life, sweat and water resistance, and seamless connectivity, making music, calls, and podcasts sharper and more enjoyable than ever. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the AirPods Pro 3, MagSafe charging case, silicone ear tips, documentation, technical specifications. The Apple AirPods Pro 3 feature a premium in-ear design with soft silicone tips for a secure and comfortable fit. They use a custom high-excursion Apple driver and a high dynamic range amplifier to deliver rich, detailed sound, supported by adaptive EQ and personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. For noise control, they include active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and adaptive audio to balance focus and awareness. Dual beamforming microphones with an inward-facing mic improve call clarity, while hearing features like hearing test, hearing aid support, and hearing protection add extra accessibility. They also include a skin detect sensor, motion and speech accelerometers, and a heart rate sensor for workouts, all powered by the Apple H2 headphone chip for advanced audio processing. Controls are simple with touch and press gestures plus swipe volume control, and Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a fast, stable connection. Battery life delivers up to 8 hours of listening, or up to 24 hours with the charging case, and the IP57 rating provides resistance against dust, sweat, and water. Product features. The AirPods Pro 3 are designed with soft silicone tips for a secure and comfortable fit that stays in place during long listening sessions or workouts. Lightweight and ergonomic, they provide all-day comfort, while the IP57 rating ensures dust, sweat, and water resistance for everyday use, travel, or outdoor activities. Advanced active noise cancellation blocks out background sounds so you can focus on music, calls, or podcasts. Transparency mode lets in important environmental sounds, allowing you to hear announcements, conversations, or traffic without removing the earbuds. Enjoy immersive, three-dimensional sound that follows your head movements. Whether you're watching movies or listening to music, the audio feels like it's coming from all around you, making every experience feel bigger and more lifelike. The AirPods Pro 3 include a built-in heart rate sensor that tracks your heart rate during workouts and daily activities. It provides real-time feedback to help you monitor fitness and stay on top of your health. Combined with the earbuds' comfort and stability, it makes tracking your activity effortless throughout the day. The AirPods Pro 3 deliver long listening time, with up to around 8 hours on a single charge with active noise cancellation, and even more in lighter modes. With the MagSafe charging case, you get up to about 24 hours total, plus fast charging. Just a few minutes in the case adds a significant boost for on-the-go use. How to pair. Place both earbuds inside the charging case and open the lid. Then double tap the front of the charging case until the status light starts flashing white. This indicates that the earbuds are now in pairing mode and ready to connect to a nearby device. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, tablet, or computer and open the Bluetooth settings. Look for AirPods Pro 3 in the available devices list and tap it to connect. Once selected, the earbuds will pair instantly and be ready for music, calls, and other audio. How to charge. Place the earbuds inside the charging case and close the lid. Connect a USB-C cable to the charging port on the case and plug the other end into a power adapter or computer. The status light will indicate that the case and earbuds are charging. You can also charge the case wirelessly by placing it on a MagSafe charger, Apple Watch charger, or any key-compatible wireless charging pad. Simply place the case on the charger with the status light facing up, and it will start charging automatically. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build, the AirPods Pro 3 feature a lightweight in-ear design with soft silicone tips and a compact stem for comfort and stability. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro also use a premium in-ear design with durable materials and ergonomic ear tips, plus an IP57 rating for dust and water resistance to handle workouts and outdoor use. The AirPods Pro 3 use a custom Apple driver with adaptive EQ, personalized spatial audio, and advanced active noise cancellation for immersive listening. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro feature a dual driver setup with a woofer and tweeter, along with ANC, adaptive ambient sound, spatial audio, and smart features like real-time translation and voice detection on compatible devices. The AirPods Pro 3 deliver up to 8 hours of playback with active noise cancellation enabled, and up to 24 hours of total listening time with the MagSafe charging case, using Bluetooth 5.3 for fast, stable wireless connection. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro offer up to 6 hours of playback with ANC and up to 30 hours of total listening time with their charging case, along with newer Bluetooth connectivity and support for advanced audio codecs and wireless charging. Pros and cons. The Apple AirPods Pro 3 are packed with features that make them a top choice for Apple users. They offer a secure, comfortable fit with soft silicone tips, advanced active noise cancellation, and transparency mode to stay aware of your surroundings. Personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking and adaptive EQ delivers immersive, rich sound, while built-in heart rate sensing tracks your workouts. Lightweight, sweat and water resistant with MagSafe and wireless charging, they pair instantly across Apple devices and offer clear calls plus fast charging for on-the-go use. On the downside, they're pricey and some features only work with Apple devices. Battery life reaches about 8 hours per charge, and touch controls can be a bit sensitive. There's no multi-point connectivity, limited customization for sound, and occasional minor connection dropouts in crowded Bluetooth environments. Despite these, they remain one of the most seamless and feature-rich earbuds for Apple users. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.